Hi guys! Welcome back to Top 10 Republic, where you will enjoy learning things while watching. In this video, we are going to feature the KRT rolling milk tea franchise business packages. Reminder, please watch the whole video to get the important information you need for the KRT rolling milk tea franchise business. For business owners, if you want your franchise business to be featured here in our channel, please send an email to mycuentoaco@gmail.com. What's in this video? Number 1. Company profile. Number 2. RBX products. Number 3. The KRT franchise business packages. Number 4. Franchise package inclusions. Number 5. Advantages of franchising. Number 6. Contact details. And number 7, frequently asked questions. Company profile. The KRT rolling milk tea is the first rolling milk tea in the Philippines with over 150 plus branches nationwide. The Best Concept Milk Tea and Fruitea Mobile Business awarded by Q Asia Magazine last December 13, 2021. They use 4-in-1 business concept wherein you will earn in 4 different ways. Number 1, you will have a rolling business store. Number 2, you will have an online delivery system. Number 3, you will do business on events. And number 4, Food Panda delivery system. The KRT products. The KRT products are divided into 2 categories, milk tea and fruit tea. For the milk tea flavors, they have winter melon, salted caramel, red velvet, matcha, cheesecake, dark chocolate, white rabbit, strawberry, taro, Okinawa, and cookies and cream flavors. For fruit tea flavors, they have lychee, mango, blueberry, and green apple flavors. They also offer add-ons like nata, pearls, crushed Oreo, cream cheese, egg pudding, and rock salt cheese. They also offer buy 2 for 180 pesos for 22 ounce with free sinkers. You can also buy 2 for 150 pesos for 16 ounce with free sinkers, while for single purchase, the 22 ounce is worth 100 pesos and 16 ounce is for 80 pesos each. The KRT milk tea franchise packages. Number 1. Non-mobile or premium food cart package. The franchise package cost is 398,000 pesos and the turnover period is 30 days. Number 2. The milk tea motto package. With the franchise package cost of 736,000 pesos and the turnover period is 60 days. Number 3. Milk tea truck package. The franchise package fee cost is 1,996,000 pesos. The turnover period is 90 days. Number 4. The milk tea cub package. The franchise package fee cost is 2.4 million pesos and the turnover period is 90 days. Number 5. They also offer Provincial Master Franchise. The Provincial Master Franchise, wherein you will be an exclusive milk tea supplier with a package cost of 3 million pesos with 300,000 worth of inventory. Franchise package inclusions. Number 1. High-end cart. Number 2. Use of trade name and logo. Number 3. Operation manual and costing. And number 4. Operation training seminar. Number 5. Use of proven and profitable system. Number 6. Tarpaulins. Number 7. Complete set of utensils and equipment. Number 8. Sets of crew uniform. Number 9, Facebook page management. Number 10, advanced social media training. Number 11, notarized contract. Number 12, free use of creative marketing materials. And number 13, Food Panda delivery system. The advantages of franchising. Number 1, higher income due to less operational cost. Number 2, your store is rolling everywhere within the barangay. Number 3, you can have business even in events. Number 4, doing business at the doorstep of your customers. Number 5, great support provided by the franchisor. And number 6, one per barangay policy wherein you will have a territory exclusivity within your barangay. For the contact details, you can contact the KRT Rolling Milk Tea Franchise Business. You can talk to Miss Camille Guan Banto with an email of camillebanto@thekrtdynasty.com. You can also visit their Facebook page at the KRT. You can call them at 09494444 You can send them also an email at inquiry@thekrtdynasty.com or thekrt01@gmail.com. For the frequently asked questions. Question number 1. What is the franchise validity of the contract? Answer: there is no renewal fee and it's a lifetime contract. Question number 2. Is there a royalty fee? Answer: there is no royalty fee. Question number 3. Until when a franchisee can access KRT University? Answer: there's a lifetime exclusive access on the KRT University. What are you waiting for? Start your business with the KRT Rolling Milk Tea Franchise Business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Top 10 Republic, where you will enjoy learning things while watching.